a smaller size SUV with a proper Japanese heritage. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1998 Mitsubishi Pajero. The scale is 1/18. It's manufactured by AUTOart, the off-road division line, and the part number is 77122. The box is in a good shape, but the plastic window is a bit loose, which typically happens in either storage or shipping. But let's dig in already. The second-gen Mitsubishi Pajero SUV was fully redesigned from Gen 1 with newer engine options in both gasoline and turbo diesel. Mitsubishi introduced new technologies such as Super Select 4-wheel drive, multi-mode ABS, and electronic shock absorbers to Gen 2. The 3-door short-wheelbase Pajero was first introduced to the Japanese market in 1988, and it was still produced until the last year of the Gen 4 in early 2021. I won this one in an auction on eBay a few years ago, and it probably was my first non-Toyota and non-Nissan Japanese SUV in 1/18th scale. Finding a good deal on AUTOart diecast used to be my favorite hobby. It kinda still is. Here's the Mitsubishi Pajero short wheelbase. Here's the long wheelbase version. And the glorious V55 Evolution. All three are second gen, of course. You know the drill. Remove the peel-off sticker, clean the area, remove the next sticker, clean the area, and so on and so forth. This 1998 Pajero was powered by the Mitsubishi Cyclone 3.5-liter V6 engine, which was the first GDI V6 engine ever produced. The GDI or PDI engines, short for gasoline direct injection and petrol direct injection respectively, can increase vehicles' efficiency while simultaneously reduce exhaust emissions. The curse of wobbly doors in diecast models, which is kind of a thing in my household, applies to both the passenger and the driver doors in this one. Just like the engine, the interior is well detailed, and you can tell by the various material used in there, along with the colors as well. You'll always notice when something's well made. A quick demonstration on how to open the rear door the wrong way. Clearly. The cargo area is pretty spacious and quite detailed, from the door itself to the carpet-covered floor and the perfectly fitted cargo barrier. Excellent details have always been AUTOart's strong suit, something that's clear in this case. I sometimes like to pretend there's a weight difference between diecast and resin, but of course in reality they both can be either heavy or on the lighter side. This one feels just right. The general details of this model makes it very desirable, even though the black isn't necessarily the most appealing color on it. Just like most coveted out-of-production diecast, this model is a bit rare now, but most enthusiasts usually keep an eye out on auction and reseller websites, and you never know. So depending on your luck finding them, you might actually end up owning one. And if you do, I would keep it. And that's that.